All right, guys. So you can be playing a song like, "Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me." Okay, the Bible tells me so. All right. So today, I just want to give us some different spicy endings you can use, for this particular song, and you can actually apply it somewhere else. Okay, but we're in the key of A flat major, so please just have that in mind as I break down this set of chords. So I'm gonna break down this first variation I did. So the Bible tells me so. I know you love it, so I'm gonna take it slowly. So the Bible. So what I'm starting with is two set of um, you know quarter chords, okay, or quarter harmonies. And please understand that a quarter chord is a chord that has intervals of perfect fourths in between each and every one of the notes right there. Okay, so we have the G quarter chord and we have the F quarter chord. But while I do this, I'm actually landing on the 3 on the bass. Okay, and also understand that I'm spelling out the melody too. So da bye, boo, boo. You see? So I'm spelling out the melody all throughout, and that's gonna happen for, the rest of the different endings I'm gonna show you as well. Melody is always very important because this song is a melody-driven song. Okay, so da bye, boo. So 3 to the 6. Okay. I won't be able to break everything down, but please just understand because of time purpose, okay? Da, ba. And please understand that as I'm going to the 3, I'm not just keeping it empty. That's very empty to me. So I'm just adding this 2 set of notes there, the A flat and the B flat right there, just to make it a little bit rich and full. So da, ba, boom. Okay, so that's the 6. So that's a D sus2 chord, D flat sus2 chord over the 6, which is F. Okay, the Bible tells, and this is B flat minor 9th chord. Okay, me. So I love using divide and conquer rule when interpreting some certain kind of chords. Okay, chords like this. Okay, this is actually a D flat diminished 7th chord over the 5 on the bass, which is the E flat. You can just add that B flat right there just to make it rich and full as well. So tells me so. Okay, one more time. The Bible tells me so. Always prioritize the melody while playing the song. Okay, so the next I think I have up to like 5 or 6 different variations I can give you, but let's see how far we can go. So the next one is the Bible tells me so. Okay, let me just make it easy. So we just changed a few things right there. So the Bible. Okay, so we have now these chords again. I love using divide and conquer. First of all, think of these set of chords in a different key, like G flat. Okay, so I would like to see this as a 5 over the 6 chord. Okay, 5 on the right hand over the 6. So 5 as a triad. Okay, now this is the 5 in the key of G flat. So right now we're thinking out of the box because there is no box. You have to be creative. Okay, so we have the D flat major triad, which is the 5 in the key of G flat. Yeah, and on the left hand I'm actually playing an E flat minor triad, and this is the first inversion of the E flat minor triad. Yes, because this is the root position and this is the first inversion. Okay, so 5 over the 6 in the key of G flat, both are triads. So I'm still spelling out the melody. Please understand, melody has to be prioritized. Okay, the vibe. Okay, the vibe. So look at this as well. I'm now thinking in the key of E major, and this is the 5 over the 6. Same structure as the first. The vibe. Boom. Okay, so look at this again. So now this is actually the B major triad. Okay, the B major triad, which is a 5 in the key of E, being played over the C sharp minor triad. Okay, B major triad over C sharp minor triad, because C sharp is the 6 in the key of E major. Please understand, sharp, not D flat. Okay, C sharp. So we have the Bible. Now we go to the B flat minor 11th chord, and these is basically similar to what we did before. So B flat minor 11th chord has a 2 in the key of A flat. So we're back to the key of A flat, right? We've been there all along. It's just we just borrowed some ideas from G flat and E, right? So the Bible tells. Now look at this chord. Remember last time we did B flat minor 9. Okay, but right now we're saying this is actually an E flat 13th chord with a sus4 in there. Okay, yeah, E flat 13th chord with a sus4 in there. So let's go again. The Bible tells me. Same thing as what we played before. So this is actually D flat diminished 7th chord over the 5 on the bass, and please just add the B flat to make it very rich and full. So that's the second variation. Okay, we have the first. Now we have this. Woo! Should I go further or should I stop here and save for the next? Okay, I think I should just go on because I had somebody say I should go on. Okay, so the next one is which one can I do? Which? Okay, so we could just use minor 11s all day long. So okay, just a simple change right there. I don't want to bombard you with so much information. So we have this is C minor 11th chord, and this is based off the 3, which is the C red, right? Okay, the C. So C minor 11th chord. Then this is stretch. Okay, normally we used to play this, so you can add that C there, just double it. Okay, then the B flat minor 11th chord, which is a 2 in the key of A flat major. Yeah. Now we'll go back again, still B flat minor 11th chord, different voicing, that's all. Okay, then you can go to the E flat 13th chord with sus4 in there, or you could even do this. So we're still staying on that B flat, right? But we're just changing things. Okay, B flat minor 11th chord, still B flat minor 11th chord, just the melody is changing. Still B flat minor, but right now B flat minor 9th chord with this emphasized melody. But you can still feel free to go to the 5 instead of playing this. Then you can play. These are our favorite D flat diminished 7th chord over the 5. Then you go back to the 1, which is the A flat at 9. Okay, you can actually do it. Woo! But I want to end on that melody. I just want to keep this melody true because this song is a melodic driven song. Okay, so I'll do it one more time. Okay, the Bible tells me so, or you could say the Bible tells me so. Okay, spot the difference. Okay, let me give us the final one. Okay, I have more to give you, but let me give you the final one. So the final one is woo. Look at the slight change in there, but it makes a whole lot of difference. You can do Now, for all you tritone lovers, this is basically a triad over a tritone. So look at this. I'm playing an A tritone on the left while I'm playing the D flat, major triad. Okay, and that's in the second inversion. Okay, if you care to know. So this is, this is it. Like I said, divide and conquer rule helps you understand things faster. You're playing a tritone, you're playing a triad over a D flat major triad. So melody still emphasized. Okay, so da bye, and that's the B flat minor 11th chord. I believe I've already discussed this before, so we shouldn't go back and talk about it. Melody still emphasized. Okay, I showed you this before, so we're not changing anything actually. So we're just doing this, just a few changes. Yeah, okay, everything stays the same. The 5, okay, that's the E flat sus, E flat 13 with a sus 4 in there. Then back to your 5, but these are D flats, the mini 7th chord, our favorite, over the 5. Back to the 1. And you can just do this. I play this as an arpeggio. So sometimes you don't want to keep it rigid all the time. Sometimes you want to do. Or you could do I don't know. Let me just leave it. I don't want to bombard you. So Bible tells me so. Oh, okay. You could actually do. Let me take that real slow. Okay. Very nice ending. Okay. The Bible tells me. Okay. That's it from me to you, and cheers.